Okay, so stage
Yesterday
wise
also
it
you
is there.
same answer.
So it is the developer knows what happens here, then he will change as per the requirement, will change as per issue, then again he will run again. It will do one by one again, code changes, apply to the GitHub, and do these things step by step. Now this is successful, for example. Now this is a stage 3 successful. Then you go to the operate, working or not, monitor it is okay, everything is fine, everything is good. Then you will get a end, everything, entire life cycle of a project is good. So simply we can say pipeline means entire life cycle of a complete project. Okay, so each stage of project, if you take one project, so it is not only just coding part, right? There is a lot of integration things also there. It can be a server issues, or it can be a um, remote web server connection, or maybe a HTML problem, or maybe a service issues, any kind of issues. So instead of saying like it is total failure, and which stage it is actually failure, we will understand. Okay, we will understand from the stage kind of stuff. I will show you the outcome, then you will understand. So simply to understand a pipeline, is a pipeline is divide your complete project into different steps, different stages. Okay, then you can, each stage should be succeeded to the run the second stage. If any stage failure, will the execution, next execution will be stopped, and obviously we will understand on which stage we got an error. So because it's a, remember always it is a continuous execution. So pipelining is a script manner. Pipelining projects are a script base, means you have to create a script in the Jenkins file. The file name is Jenkinsfile. You can Google it. So what is Jenkins file, and how to use the Jenkins file? So Jenkins file. Okay, Jenkins file. So then you can directly, Jenkins will give you, so you don't record any other things. Okay, so these are the Jenkins file. File name is Jenkins file. Okay, so you have to put it like this: pipeline, curly brackets, stage, stage. This is the stages, all stages mentioned as stages. Build, test, deploy, like this. You are giving a echo message here, like this is the very simple Jenkins files declaration. And also you can scroll down, then you can find how to do it kind of stuff. See, for testing, for deploying. Okay, this is the completely script manner. But now here you no need to learn any scripting. Just for a only important thing is, first of all, you go to the first one, creating Jenkins file. This is important. So very important one is, always remember this curly brackets. If you mention a pipeline, that is the end one. Like your C++ Java, you have a curly brackets, right? So mention this is the one kind of block. It is stages, stages, and here stage, this is one stage. See, it is, this is a step, this is a step, this is a stage, this is a step, and this is a stage. Like every part should be has a proper closure is required. Okay, only that thing keep in mind. And mainly in our Jenkins, you no need to do that much also. I will show you one by one. At least I will create a basic two projects. Okay, and now it is 106. Okay, so how to create a basic pipeline project. um, Marvin project is also there. If you want a Marvin thing, just Jenkins, we can put a multiple users also, guys. Okay, Jenkins, you can put a multiple users, means it's a Jenkins server. One server means multiple access is there, right? So we can put a multiple servers also. So I am putting my demo. First project is a demo pipeline one. Okay, demo pipeline or pipeline one. So I am creating a pipeline project. So you have to select pipeline. Guys, understand freestyle, Marvin, pipeline. Freestyle, just it is plain options are available. You can do the freestyle project. Marvin related environment it will provide. So it will connect a Marvin thing, Marvin executional kind of stuff. We can get it. All the options, Marvin pre-build, post-build kind of stuff we are getting in a Marvin thing. Okay. Pipeline. Now we are doing a pipeline project. So you have to select the pipeline. Okay. Click OK. That's it. Here I'm not taking any code from the Git. Simply I'm execute a basic commands like we done a basic demo project. So like that. If in case guys, if you don't have a time now to view all the projects, after your interview also you can try. Okay. You can try. If you anything is required specifically a particular practical kind of stuff, you can mention in my in the comment section or like that. Okay, see where is the source code, where is other things not there here. Okay, of course we can give the source code also. Just this is my general giving demo pipeline. It's a simple one. Okay, I'm not giving any other information here, just build triggers, and I'm not giving that one also. Okay, this is advanced project options. You can see pipeline script. Okay, this is the pipeline. Okay, so this is the pipeline option. Um, okay, so it is showing directly groovy sandbox also it is saying. So advanced project options, I'm not going that one also. I'm going pipeline part only. So this part. Okay, pipeline definitions, you have to write the script. How to write the script? Don't worry, try sample pipeline. So click here. I'm trying very simple one, hello world, or you can use github plus Marvin scripted pipeline. So which one you want to use it? You want to write a pipeline program on yourself, you can write it. We don't write it, so we'll go to the hello world. So simple one, so pipeline. Okay, so maybe it is very small, maybe I will try to increase my. Okay, guys, can you able to view the script part? So
Yes,
right,
sir.
pipeline agent, any agent means like you are using Marvin and like that. Okay, single stage only stages, it is a single stage only. Echo hello world, that's very simple. We run this one and we'll change it again. Okay, so I'm going to save it. See how to create it simple way. So why I'm very taking interest in stuff forwarding some others pipelining things like even I checked in Edureka videos also. First time I don't know pipeline kind of stuff. I check in a Edureka video. So then I find that this is a like kind of stuff their environment. So then what I done, I changed it myself and I tried it. I failed so many times. Don't worry. Okay, pipeline things. So many times I failed. At least each time when I'm taking pipeline, at least first time I failed. Okay, so don't worry. So try and try. You'll understand. This is the stage view. The stage view will tell you what is the stage of your program, like on which stage you are there. Okay, so I'm clicking on a build now because it's a only single stage and single step command. So then obviously just if you click on build now, it's running. Yes, it's running. Actually, you have to see the two windows here. So one is like it's a build process. You have to check it. Yeah, it is become more slow. See, lot of people think so. We don't understand this one. So my point is, just try. You will get to know what it is. You will know. Okay, so you don't need to write a script also. First time I confused with this entire script part. So where is this? So I'll give you a pipeline declarative sample here. Okay, no confusion at all. It is if you really try practically. So build is going on. Why it is taking too much time that much? So I'm checking my console output. The stage view I will view from here in a second tab. Guys, already I told tomorrow also Sunday. Tomorrow also I'm free. If you want to prepare for your interview or you have any other kind of stuff, so no problem. But if you feel uh, very free, okay, tomorrow morning only, not afternoon. Okay, like a 2 to 3 hours, your free time is there. Please inform me by evening, and by evening means 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, no problem. Morning means you have to call me and wake me up, okay, like today.
Sir, is it compulsory?
Not required, just for you
Okay.
only. Even this is also
No,
not
sir.
required. No one will ask what is pipeline. But don't
Okay,
don't
sir.
think like that, but understand the concept. Okay, no need to
Yes, sir.
do very hard, but try to understand the concept. That's it. That's the only one point. Okay.
It's all little bit confusing, sir.
Yeah, it will confuse because one thing is we required at least for only pipeline we need a 1 day complete day, morning to evening, and we have to do 2 3 things. So then we'll understand, okay, this is first stage, second stage, third stage. I'm using only single stage just for a basic execution. So it's going on. This is my demo pipeline, right? So I am clicking on it. I want to see what is going on with this project. So two windows. Okay. So tomorrow, just I will go through Docker images, how to build a Docker, how to build a Docker images with Jenkins. So only basic thing is having so many things. Even I'm not going with the Puppet and Ansible kind of. I tried it, but it is we don't get that environment now. See, still it is slow because of the Docker is installed and background kind of stuff. My point is, if you know once, you can try anytime next time also. So you can see the stage view, not at done. So this stage view I want it, or you can go to full stage view. Yeah, it is creating. See, here it is stage. First only single stage it is going on. How much time it will take also it will take. It's a single in progress. Logs you can see. So yeah, it will take very less time. Hello world executed success. Okay, this is console output, but I want to see in a stage view output, right? This is 12 second it will take. Click on the logs. So print message hello world. So what happened to yours? But here in a stages pipeline, very important in the pipeline thing is you should get a failures. If you don't get a failure, you don't understand. But if you got a failure, then it will give started confuse. Like again, we have to set it back. Okay, so like that. Yeah, I will go to configure again. I am not going to create another project. Just I'm going to put a 2 3 stages in the same basic thing on. So I'm going to pipeline here. So let it come. So go to the pipeline. So it is a single stage only, right? So what I'm going to do is I am copying this stage up to here. Control C. The brackets you have to follow, otherwise it is will give you a big problem. And stage, yeah, stage. This is hello, right? Now I want to create a file. I want to create a file. Okay, file creation. In the steps, I am putting a here is like hello world is a file. Okay, so instead of anything, just I will give double greater some file name e colon slash. I don't understand this one. We'll see. Just give file name. What happens, we'll see later. Okay, so give file name. Tell me first file name is f1. No. Pipeline file pf1 dot txt. Okay, so here it is. We have to mention, is it a bat command or a normal command? Okay, see sh or a bat. So you have to tell like that. Okay, if you got an error, then only we'll do it. In pipeline, errors are important, and you have to fix the errors. Another stage, just for sample only, for understanding only. Read. If you are executing this pipeline in a Linux environment, then you have to use sh. What is sh? Shell command. If you are using in a bat in your Windows, it's a bat. Okay, because it's a Windows command. Type pf1.txt. I want to read the file. Okay, you want to copy, like you can copy into some location also, we can able to copy. How many stages now? 1 2 3. If you want another stage, you can add it also. We can remove the file also if you want, or you want to add something to it, also we can add it. um, Next stage. See, I want to ask very important question now. So add I'm adding a date to it. Okay, I'm adding a date. Okay, so here again I'm removing this one. So bat date slash t, and again bat date slash t double greater we have. Okay, it display date, and also it will put a date into that file. Okay, so when you are saving, before saving, you have to check there is any errors are there. If you don't follow this thing, you will get an error in the initial stage only. Okay, these are stages. Save it. Oh, very good. Error. This is not that error, this is a application error, Jenkins error, not our script error. Script error throws in different ways, so don't worry. Okay, returning 103. See, it is saying why I'm getting this one. Yeah, it is a demo pipeline. Stages are not at one stage only, it is a previous state. I'm going to build now. Okay, build now. Then it is a second build. Second build will start. It is showing starting only red color. Okay, starting only red color. So why it is red color, we will see. So we'll refresh this pipeline. Why we are getting this red color? See, durability level, max survivability. Yeah, I will stop in this manner only, but I want a one little bit success. Two is okay. This is the first build, previous one. This is the second one. Even it is not started. Maybe I given some issues. So why it is rotating like that? It will show it is like a it is running one, but it is not showing like that. It is showing like it is. You can disable the projects also. Why it is showing like that? Back to the project. Why? Configure slow systems. 6 GB RAM. Uh, is it showing any red color here? It is not showing. I don't. Okay. Use Groovy box not required. No script errors. So I put a multiple stages and it is not showing any bracket errors also. Save it. Mostly we will get a script based errors only. So pipeline syntax. Build now. Again I'm building new one, new build. So build 3. So starting only it is showing red color and it is failed. And why it is failed we don't understand. It is showing failed only directly. It is not showing why it is failed. You wait for a 2 minutes. Then if it is not showing any output, just leave it. You can take a break. Okay. So tomorrow that is completely yours only. So for me no problem. If in case you are unable to join a class, you want to take rest or you want preparation, just Docker concepts are important. That's it. Not they don't ask in a practical manner also generally. Otherwise it is they ask like maybe you didn't practice that one, you can say. The point is if you understand Docker concept it is good. If possible, I already I installed a Docker, right? So then I will show you how to run different containers by downloading some image, and also I will create my own image and how to run. Okay, I will try and I will show you. Okay, so this is not a acceptable failure. The failure should be a proper failure. This now something movement is there. Error. Yeah, because of I given a bat. That is a bat. That the groovy not understanding that one. Don't worry. Errors are there usually. Like this is a for a sh means which is a Linux base. If not, then environment. This is a PowerShell also will be there. PS not understanding that what to do. That is agent any. So one second. No, no, no. That is correct, but we have to mention something previously. Yeah, I said no. I will ask a very important question. The question is, if you want to become a better programmer, or you want to work like this, so what is the most important one? You want to become a programmer or a developer, or you want to work like this? So what is the most important thing? You must have a two important qualities. So what are those things? Anyone? It's already time's up. Please tell me fast. Hmm? He said a node. Jenkinsfile. No. Hmm? Okay, read is not working here. So I'll remove this bat. Actually, I have to mention agent. Agent wise, I have to set this is a Windows machine. Guys, are you there? Or people are there?
Sir, we are there,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, yeah. I have to ask one very simple question.
sir.
What is the question?
Yes, sir.
To become a developer, or you want to do this kind of scripting kind of stuff? Okay. So what is the main two properties a person should have?
Practice and patience.
Very good.
Hobby and taste stuff.
Interest. Huh?
Passion too.
Someone
Topic
said
name
answer
tasting
correct.
order, sir.
Someone said correct answer.
We need to have a good PC, sir.
One more answer. Ask two.
Interest in sir.
Which one?
Interest and patience, sir.
To earn more money.
These two properties are important. If you don't have these two things, how much you have, you don't. Okay, how much you have, how much interest you have, how much zeal you have, how much infrastructure you have, how much money you have. If you don't have these two properties, you are not become a software engineer. Again,
We agree that.
what happened here? It scrolled down automatically. Sorry, bill now. Okay, of course, remaining are very important. Of course, very important one is patience is required. Patience. So you have to take the time. Oh, how many build failures? Fourth one currently building. So I clicked on so many times. Okay, so I have to remove the old builds if I want. Otherwise, I will build it again. So this is the fourth build is going on, and in my pipeline, I'm going to check the stage view. Okay, so it is taking 4 minutes. So no script column. So but it is taking that minute. But I need only one stage, and I removed. I have to remove all the things. If fourth one is succeed, and fifth and sixth is also will succeed. Yeah, I think 3 o'clock you have a class right today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
We
Yes.
have
I know.
classes
I
through
know.
the class.
I see the message also. Yeah. It don't understand workflow script. Yeah. We got a big error failure. Now, wala. Okay. Next time I will. Uh, I'll repair it. Okay. So this is actually the view. At least the fail view is a starting only failure. Okay. I will change it and I will upload it again. Okay. Just take a leave. Okay. I will change it. I will check it my previous things. So why it is not executing? I have to put a date command only. Otherwise. Okay. So the script error is there because it's not understanding is a Windows command or Linux command. It thought it is a Linux command. Okay. So I will change it later. Okay. And pause. I will start again. Same thing, but I need a full screen mode to run it. When I type bat command, then so compulsory bat mention in a simple way. Yeah, here it is. Bat mention in a simple way. It's like this is a normal command. It will execute. Agent is any. Will run this one. Bat. Otherwise, you have to mention the CMD. Save. Just one time bill now. Wait. It is running. So we'll see. We'll get an nut. Where it is coming. So here it is. First, hello is successful, failure are still running. Console output, it is running. Hello, stay skipped due to earlier failure. Add date skipped due to earlier failure. Right, it is. So again failure. This is a total failure. Some plugin malfunctioning. Logs. Then nothing, no logs here. Just skipped. So why it is skipped? I don't understand. So I will verify again. So what is happening to this configuration? Check each stage. Hello, create, read, add date. Go to configure, pipeline. So what is this groovy box, pipeline syntax, declarative, generate a pipeline global variables. No, 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 not this one. Back. No, no. Use groovy box. Then what happens? It is not at all a problem. So then when I give, then what happens? 73 bat commands is very easy. CMD agent is cmd.exe. So 1 second we'll verify again from the wall. Eighth one. We'll see output of eighth one. Directly failed without asking anything. Why this is groovy kind of stuff? Organization modern. So why my pipeline is getting problem? It's a failure. Check it in Google like here. Maybe it is required a restart. I build another one. Go to the pipeline. Echo. Read. Auto read. Use cat command. Bat command. These are the simple type. paf1.txt. I'll remove the stage. So no stage problem. Stage 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, agent in it. So okay, don't use groovy. Why question mark? Help. Okay, so we'll use till now. It is already failed. Total failure. So why failure is occurring? Yes, I don't understand. Echo, then read. We'll configure. So we'll remove all this echo part. Okay. So simple. I will make it like create. Um, create a creating file. Just done. Okay. Next type one. So like echo. Okay. Um, reading file. Dot. Okay. This one. So we put it another one. Stage in bracket. Just date. Okay. So then see the stage part. Here it is. This is a stage, right? So this is stage open, close, open. Another open is required again. Steps. That's it. It is good. Okay. That is for a stages. This is for this stage. So open, close. This is a stage. So here I am putting uh, date. That's it. Nothing more. So come on. Okay. Build now. We'll see how many errors you will get it. Oh, 10th one is showing little bit blue color starting, and it is starting on error. Script error. Stage error. Date. Stage error. Script error. Only failures, not any other thing. Simple project. What is the difference between this stage and this stage? Stage, steps, max on this one, and date. So any other difference is there? So we'll remove it first. No error whatsoever. Agent any stages. This is the each stage. So at least we'll see some green color or blue color, whatever it is. Now it is showing again starting red color console output. It contains only echo messages. Yeah, successful, success. So it is a stage view. Each stage, what happened? Each stage, it's what happened? Success, success. Logs you can see creating file messages are there, but actually I'm unable to run my bond script here. Okay, snippet generators, simple. So in batch command, so we'll see script, batch script. I put a date slash t, type, sorry, echo, this is pf1 file, so double greater pf1, okay, and echo, sorry, date slash t double greater pf1 or single greater dot txt, now I want to read it, so like a ty type um, pf1.txt. So generate a pipeline script. What will happen? It's it. Okay, so I will put it Control C. I am putting this one in a some stage, at least for a last stage or every stage. Configure. Yeah, it is a good thing we got a how to generate a pipeline thing. Yeah, here it is. Hello, create. Right. So here I am giving this one. Okay, sorry. Yeah, creating file. What I'm going to do is same thing. I will copy into different places. Okay, reading file. So we'll see that one. I'm removing two commands. Creating file. Yeah, this part I will remove. This part again I will do now. One command is enough. You see what will happen. Again, this part I will remove. No, no, not required this part also. Okay, so this is for a reading files. Only two stages. One is for creating file, and this is it created a file, and it is reading the file. So we'll see maybe in this stage, copy and paste again. So without no errors. So date part again instead of this. So first day slash t, enter. Next date slash t, double greater pf1 dot txt. Save it, build again. So we'll see how many errors we'll get it. 12. Dashboard view. So we have to refresh. So then we'll get a full dashboard view here. Yeah, finally successful. Console output. It is showing green color, but it is not showing a logs here. Okay, so hello, create, read, date. Okay, console output also successful. So first of all, it is showing a hello world and creating file, and it is run this command and reading file. So that is a thing. Now it is read the file. This is my file message. Okay, it is reading file. Next one is it is showing a date, current date, and it is put the date into this file. Finally succeeded. Very good. Finally succeeded. So issue is the writing of script. So I'm going to see each one what are the issues. Hello world, and here it is it's a printing message is a two steps. One is um, printing a message like a creating file, another is running a batch command like this, another one is running a batch command like this. Okay, it run the file, it is created a file. Next I want to read the file. I want to read the file. This is first step is reading file. Second step is just it is showing what is the file content type. So like just I use a cmd commands only. Okay, yeah, finally we got it. Just a script column. So I have to save the script for next time. Okay, so it is generating date. First it is generating a date, then it is put the date, today's date, into that file. Okay, so we'll see originally where is that file kind of stuff. So in a console output, this is each part of console output. We'll go to where is that actually file is a C drive. Finally we got succeeded. Jenkins and workspace. You can click on workspace. What is my project? It is a demo. This one, see, pf1 file is created here. See, there is a two lines. One is date, another one is a line here. So this is how to create a thing. Okay. So we'll see how it will be failure also. It means failed step in between step. We can write a failed step also. We'll see that one. Uh, so I'm going to configure. First of all, I will copy the working pipeline. Okay. Okay. So just I am just I'm copying entirely into the notepad. So this is a working pipeline thing. So you can use it. But I'm going to change a little bit thing like in a reading file. I'm not changing much in a reading file. Just I put a bat. Another step. is I'm going to read a file which is not yet created, which is not created. So obviously it won't execute it. It will throw some error. It should one step error. This step should be successful, which is failure at a read only. So hello, create, read, date. So that is the date one is the fourth one. So this is third one. You want to add more stages? Also we can add it in this step. I type pf2. It is not there. Save it. Build now. So it is showing like a because previously it is successful, it is shows always like a green color successful symbols only, but finally it is output is error. So what happened? So it read the file, echo, it created a file. Next one is reading file. So okay, I may have to change few things there. Type pf1 successful. Okay, it contain that one. Type 2. Okay, system not find the file specified, skipped because of earlier failure. So what happened again, we'll see. Here it is, hello is successful, create successful, but read got some problem and date got also problem. So we'll go to read logs. Otherwise first create. So it creating message and it is showing it created a file. Now next one is it will go to the log. So first reading files. Next one is it shows the file content. Next one is system cannot file this file. See, this is a the file is not there. Obviously, it is failed in this stage. In this stage, it is failed. Next one is like a date. So obviously, no logs. Why? Because this is a failure. The read part is failure. Obviously, it's a failure of second one. So when it is failure, it cannot be able to run it. Okay. So again, I'm going back to the my console. So I understand what is the issue here. It is there is a no file, but I mentioned it. I'm going again go back to the project. I'm going to configure. Either it is a script problem or file is not there. Okay, so I'm going to build triggers, build after other projects, build periodically, disable this project, quite period trigger remotely, but I want something disable. Actually, earlier one option is there, that is we can remove advanced options, display name and descriptions. So nothing, we don't do anything. Okay, so this is the issue. So in this stage we got a problem. So we have to either remove it or maybe you have to tell how to create it. So for first time what I'm going to do is I will remove this one, so then it won't create multiple files maybe. Okay, multiple lines in the same file, it will so file is same but multiple files you don't get it. Or maybe I have to tell one more step here, so that is like echo mm, this is pf2 file pf2.txt. So instead of removing this step, I am there is a issue, so then I creating a file like just anything you can take it. Now save it, and steps are increased but stages are not changed. Okay, so build now. So it will show by default red color only. So it will show by default red color only because of the previous one is failure. Now it is console output is successful. Hello world, creating file. It's creating file, first step. Second step, creating file. Then it is reading the file. it is reading, no errors here, right? So then it is date, and it's put the date into the pf1 file, and success. I'm going to the stage view kind of stuff. Okay, the first one, hello, yes, printing a message. Second one is creating file and creating files. So I created this file and as well as this file, and this is also succeeded. I run a batch command in a two ways. Okay, this is the file 2, this is the file 1, pf1, pf2. This is for reading files. Okay, so here it is, you can see it run a date command, and it is also put the date into pf1 file. And also I want to see in my folder. So two files are there, yes, two files are there. This file contains like this. Earlier it is shows 2 3 lines because of double greater. Now I put a starting single greater, it will delete the content. Okay, so this is created a two files with some content. This is your pipeline, first line, second line, third line. And if here it is, you can understand it's a failure here. So because of pf2 is not available, because of pf2 file is not there, it cannot able to display, it is a failure. So obviously next stages won't come. So then we can able to target here. So what is happen, we can understand where is the error. So we have to troubleshoot it, or maybe you have to fix the error, then go on. So you have to check it, what exactly happens. So then it is easy for a developer to understand where exactly issues occur. Okay, so this is called a pipeline. It is a pipeline means sequencing each part. I want to explain this pipeline, same script with the steps, each step. I want to explain in this blog manner only. Same blog I will replicate. So like you can easily draw these things. This is a stage one. This is my starting stage. Is a message is hello. Okay. How many stages we have? Also better to check. Hello, create, read, date. Okay. So this is my hello stage. Stage number 1. Hello. And next, this is for creating a files, and this is for a reading file, and this is just I want to add a date. Want to add date. So then instead of add date, I put a add on date only. So then we'll see. Okay. So pipeline is initiating the first stage. Once hello is completed, then it will go for a stage called as create, and create go to read, and read is going to finally will get a outcome. So this is happened like this. Stage wise, we can able to view what is happened to our PC. Okay, so this is my single stage to multi stage. Each one having a steps. I have a step one here. This stage is having a step that is called mm, echo hello. Okay, echo hello. I'm not completely writing, but each step wise I'm putting. So step one, two steps are there here. So second step is not created in the starting. So first step only I created. So echo, yes, two steps are there starting only, right? So echo um, pf1 file, something I created, and as well as no, I said creating files, just the message only. Second step is echo echo. This is pf1 file. I put a message in a pf1.txt. We need a distance from each one. Okay, so what I will do, I will put a like this, and in a second one I put a read. So that is the first time. First step is echo read file, just for understanding. And second one is type. Okay, batch command, type pf1.txt. Okay, so only first one. And date. So first one is directly date command I given, and I want to put a second step is date. I want to put it in the double greater pf1.txt. So this is four steps. Okay, then everything is successful. Everything is got successful finally by simple changing that bad kind of stuff. So better to check like this. Okay, this is working. Single quotes and double quotes are not working. I don't know why, because earlier it is working. I done so many times, but it is earlier working. Now what I done in a read stage, added a one more part that is called a type pf2.txt. Okay, so when I done this one, what happened? This file is not there. The pf2 file is not available. So obviously everything is successful. Like this is success, this is success, means this is successful. Okay, so it will go to the create stage. In a create stage, first is successful, second one is successful, then it go to read stage, first part is successful, second part is successful, and the third part is error. Because of this stage, this step is got an error, this stage is fail. Because of this failure, it skipped this failure, it skipped automatically. This is not done, it is got a skipped one. Okay, the date stage is got skipped because of there is a failure occur in a read stage only. So you need to see like finally it is not working. So why it is not working? From starting to ending, no need to check it. Starting to ending, no need to check it. Where which stage actually error is occur, from there you can able to start troubleshooting. You can start troubleshooting and complete the work. Okay, make it work. So each stage we can able to fix it. Okay, so first two three through 3 4 5 stages are completed. Maybe a fifth stage is having a problem, then we can concentrate on only fifth stage, not on a 1 2 3 4 again. No need to read entire script, no need to go through entire project links and connections, import modules, definitions. So everything not required. Somewhere is an issue, only one single file or single step failure. So we have to concentrate on that failure only that. So that is thing. Now what happened? I mentioned, so read the pf2 file. So read the pf2 file. So there is a problem. What is the problem? So pf2 file is not there. I understand. So then I maybe in a previous stage I didn't given a thing. Okay, or maybe like that. So I'm going to yellow color now. So for understanding. So three, I'm putting echo pf2 file and single greater pf2.txt. Okay, yeah, it is unable to view. We'll go to the purple color. So now I created this file. Again I run. Again I running. So here when I running again, so it means you have to remove this one. Okay, so here I'm running. Now this file is available. Again we are checking. Again we are checking. So I will take now guarantee this color. First stage again, stage by stage. Stage one, yellow, running, good. Creating a files. It create a first it will display this message creating pf1, creating pf2. Reading stage. Okay. So reading stage. This is the third stage. So it display a message read file and pf1 file it displaying. This file is displaying. Again, I'm going to date stage. This is the fourth stage. So like this pass means completely it is successful. Like that So we can concentrate on a particular stage where the stage is occur. Again, we can work on it. Okay, so I am going to remove these check marks only. This is I will give this color. So this is your pipeline. So this is a Jenkins pipeline. So check it. One second. So this is it. Finally, we have a success. Okay, you can use Marvin. Is better is easy is a Marvin thing, but here okay, hello create read date like that. So you can create multiple things. You can do it, and some are not having any outcomes. This is a failed one, less stages. So what you do, you can delete that one also. But important is to understand this 12th, 13, 14. Here it is, everything is good. Here it is what happened. Exactly again I will go. This F2 is not there, so automatically throwing an error. So first step, second step, third step got a problem. First step, second step is good. Third step we got a problem. And also it is showing how much time it is taking to complete that stage, and as well as a complete to complete this how many seconds it will take. One step, how much time it taken for each stage, and each step also it is taken. Okay, so that is what. Again, if you see in initially pf2 is not there, so obviously it is throwing a error at read, so we can understand from it, and it skip this one. I will put a red color this one. So obviously because of this file is not available, the stage failure, the stage failure relate to total failure, means next stages will be skipped. So you have to verify that kind of stuff. That's it. I'm going